Oh, smooth. Yeah. Well, I guess Anthony Davis, he ain't got that. Yes, sir. He ain't got that. My bad. Yes, sir. He ain't got that, man.
All right, guys, we're back with another episode of Street Smart with Rachid. We're here today on the Culver City steps. We got people walking all up and down these steps. Obviously, they know about their fitness, but let's see how much they know about their human anatomy. All right, ma'am, what is your name and where are you from?
My name is Kayla, and I'm from here, sunny Los Angeles.
My name is Ian. I'm from Santa Fe Springs.
My name is Marco, man. I'm from Alabama.
Alabama, roll tide.
Yeah, roll tide, yeah.
Are you a Lakers fan?
I am a Lakers fan.
Even though this season we're trash?
Even though this season we're trash, yeah.
When 80 comes back, we're making a comeback.
For sure, for sure.
All right, Marco, you feeling confident today?
A little bit, yeah. A little bit, man. I'm ready for you, man.
Let's go, okay. All right, and the word myocardial. What does Mayo stand for? Is it A, ligament, B, artery, or C, muscle?
I'm gonna go with B.
C, muscle.
Muscle.
Boom. It's actually C, muscle.
I was gonna say B.
Myocardial describes the heart muscle, and the prefix myo comes from the Greek word for muscle. When you're born, you actually have most of your heart muscle cells that you'll ever have because very few of them are replaced during your lifetime.
You can't replace the heart. Understood. All right. I didn't know that, man.
Can't replace the heart. You only got one.
No, I only got one. I'm going to keep this, man. Keep this. Yes, sir.
Okay, so what does AIDS... Yeah, we're going to pivot to a different topic. So you're well versed in STDs, you feel?
Yeah, no. Not since high school.
Same.
To be clear, that was in class in high school, studying health and anatomy.
Okay, what does AIDS stand for? Is it A, acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, B, antiviral immunodeficiency syndrome, or C, autoimmune deficiency syndrome?
Autoimmune deficiency.
A, acquired.
I guess not acquire it, but you gotta get it.
I know. Let's see, acquire it. Yeah. Gotta be given.
Right.
You're right. That's exactly it. A lot of people say autoimmune.
Yeah, like your autoimmune is like most like you're born with it, right? Like you're like the allergies.
Because autoimmune disorders are actually where the body's immune system attacks healthy tissues in your body, while AIDS is acquired. So I think autoimmune ones.
Acquired it. You got it.
Exactly. Yep. Boom. Got it. You do know your STDs.
I try.
What is the name for the space between your eyebrows? Is it A, the glabella, B, the macella, or C, the patella?
Patella.
B, macella.
I'm gonna go with A.
Ding, ding, ding. It's actually A, glabella. And patella's actually your kneecap.
Oh my God.
The glabella is the skin right above or right about the bridge of your nose. And the name actually means hairless or smooth in Latin.
Oh, smooth. Yeah. Well, I guess Anthony Davis, he ain't got that. Yes, sir. He ain't got that. My bad. Yes, sir. He ain't got that, man.
He's got a rare glabella.
Man, I'm Marco. I just did a smart challenge. Thank you, Dherbs. Let's go.
My name's Ian, and I just played the Street Smart Challenge. Thank you, Dherbs. Sorry I didn't get them all right.
All right, guys, that wraps up another episode of Street Smart with Rachid. Thank you all so much for tuning in and watching. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment, and tune in again next week for another episode.